Sam.
You guys remember what happened last time we went to
Shadow
offense,
play.
right?
Oh, I bust signal
You guys
translator.
remember that?
Shadow play? That's all you gotta say, shadow play?
Alright, Sam, let's no, let's go in. You grab the boombox, let's go in, we just beat the
No, we don't have the upgrade. The boombox doesn't matter. We're just gonna go in and hit shit.
Fine. Wait, am I actually getting that? Am I getting that? You might have to go. Oh, sick of power box. Circuit breaker.
Did you?
What?
Did you just figure out the word for that one? You're really happy with that word?
Are you gonna make that
Man, what the
fish,
fuck?
Sam?
Let me.
Guys, look out! There's a bracken! Guys, behind you! The bracken, he's calling your name.
Sam. Sam.
That dog's forever.
Sam.
Yeah.
Sam.
He's not dropping you at me, I'm dropping you at Wait, no.
What?
I'm just an asshole. Fuck.
What? Sam. Oh. Here, little guy. Here, little guy, take it. Take it. Oh, you're lame.
I already took a hit from the thumper as well. So
Okay.
Did you two kill James?
Yes. Do you want to do we want to tag team this thing and kill him?
I don't think we're gonna be able to do that, but I can sure try.
Okay. Here we go. I've already taken a hit in.
Major frag
16 p.m. on the company planet. Guys, who just grabbed the bottle from the company building?
That was epic.
What if they fire us for embezzlement? What if?
My father gave me a small loan of $1 million. Yes, it was. And he said to me, he said, son, oh my god. Oh. He said, son, spend this money wisely. Don't spend it all on an inverse teleporter. And I said, Daddy, I love my inverse teleporter. I love it a lot. And I told him, I said, I can't go without it. I just can't. I can't. And so I bought it anyway. I bought the inverse teleporter and I teleported into Dine. And God, I must say, Daddy was right. I should have listened to Daddy. There were turrets everywhere. I admit it, there were turrets, as expected. But I overcame the turrets, yes. With the help of, Daddy, he turned off the turrets.
Killed himself, by the way.
What?
Yeah.
You are infinitely more powerful than you used to be.
You plan it permanently.
Aiden? I think it's permanent.
Huh?
I'm a broadcaster.
Aiden, look at me.
Yeah.
Turn off the music. Cut the music. I have just given you immense power. Can I get the jump this time, guys? You gotta believe.
Made it.
Oh my god, he actually made it.
Use your radio Wi-Fi.
Will do.